We are undergraduate students of Food Science and Technology, Bogor Agricultural University.
Ini pas aku ngeliat satu-satu.
Hi, Annik. Hi, I'm using wiper. This one.
Annggi,
Yeah?
which one do you think wiser?
This one.
Which one do you think wiser? I think it's the same.
As you can see, every eye has subjective judgment about which one is whiter. So now we're gonna tell you the objective way of whiteness measurement using whiteness method model C1000 because your eyes is full subjective. Let's check it out the session.
Before we test the sample, we have to do the preparation step. The sample which we are going to test and compare is sagu flour and wheat flour. The preparation of the two samples is the same. Pour the flour into a flat surface and then flatten the flour. And then make two crosses like this. So the sample will be divided into 4 areas. Then separate two opposite areas like this using the spoon. And then the opposite area one. These two areas that we are going to use as our sample. This is the sample chamber. We have to clean it first before we put the sample in. Make sure the glass is clean too. Pour the sample in appropriate amount. And then flatten the sample like this. And then close the sample chamber. And don't forget to clean the sample chamber. Here it is. Our sample is ready to measure. This is the device that we're gonna use. Whiteness Meter Model C1000. First of all, we have to measure the standard. The standard that we use is magnesium oxide. And then pull out the standard. And then we change it with our sample. Change the standard into our sample. The first sample is our wheat flour. Put it in a device. Here it is the value. Pull out again. And then before we move on to the next sample, we have to calibrate it again with our standard, the magnesium oxide again. Here we go to our second sample, the sagu flour. Here is the result. And then we move on to the calculation.